Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm working on my card for my swap partner, and uh-oh, I think I bet that too high, but that's okay. So I'm just using a 5x5 piece of scrap from my carousel collection, or whatever you want to call it. Can't talk, my brain is dead, guys. Okay, and I'm just going to layer up some of these scraps that I have on my table and then try to use them for the cover of my card, and that's how I'm going to create my card for my swap partner. Okay, and I don't mind the, see how I layered up my hot air balloon. I used my foam tape from Dollar Tree, the new tape that I found. They're squares, they're bigger pieces. I put that behind here, and I think I want some color up behind my card. And I'm using the carousel collection because that's what I've been working with this whole time. So I just want, it's not going to be matchy, but I just, you know, same family, same story, right? We just want it to look good together. Yeah, so I'm using these two cutouts from the 12 by 12 paper pad, and I'm going to do my little paper thing here. You guys can see I'm just throwing it together, giving it some angles and pressing it. It's just whatever you feel looks good, okay? There's no wrong, right way to do it. All right, and then I want to put that there, right, pretty much right there. So you still see hints of my ticket, and because it's all red like that, you know, I might, let me see. No, it's fine. So I'm gonna just take my glue right now and go across here and just take it the way it is and lay it right down. Just like that, and whatever is hanging over, I'm going to trim. Okay, so just like that. Our tickets are still peeking. You can still see a corner here and there. And now I want to do, yeah, I think I'll put this right here, but I also want some green. Okay, so we're gonna just give this a nice little rouge. Probably won't use the whole thing, and I hope you guys can see this. Basically just making some really crooked folds, and usually I would want to go ahead and sew this, but I'm trying to finish this off so that I can get this in the mail tomorrow, and then my swap partner can enjoy all the goodies that are in there. So there we go. We got this little green and blue going on, and you still see the tickets, and I think that is perfect. Although I love the way this one came out, I'm okay with it, because we're going to just lay some of this down, give it more color. Okay, just like that. All right, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, the blue peeks through, the green peeks through. We're going to trim this off right here. I'm not using any stamps, anything like that. I'm going to leave it with just my note on the inside. And then I'm going to take this one and we're going to pop these all up, because I need to double this up actually, because the layer from this and then this is on foam already, so we need it a little bit higher than what it is. So I'm going to take this one, just put it down, get this backing off, and we're going to take this one off. And then we'll put this one on top of that. Okay. Doubled that up. Yeah. And then that will be the perfect height. Still want that color to, okay. So right about there. Give this, whoops, more glue. Okay. We're going to just bring it down just a little and just sit it right on top there. Perfect. Well, almost. Not perfect, but perfectly imperfect. How about that? Just trim the bottom part off. Trim this side a little bit. Scissors don't like. And I got the blue and the green right up under there. And I want that like that. See that? That is enough. Enough for me. Now that is it, guys, for my greeting card. My card, actually, for my swap partner. And I thank you for joining me, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!